Hello class 8th student, it's a chapter 9 reproduction in animals. It's a part first. We know this thing that all living organisms produce their young ones of their own kind. So the production of the young ones of their own kind is done by the process of reproduction. This process known as reproduction, in which living organisms produce their young ones of their own kind. Here you see there are different animals and they having the different mode of reproduction. In this chapter we read about the reproduction and its type, reproduction in human being, sex determination, viviparous and oviparous organism, and gender issue and myths. So let's start this chapter. The first thing is reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which young living organism produces young ones of their own kind. Means the living organism produces their young ones of their own kind, just like dog reproduce the dog-like young ones. Okay, human reproduce human-like young ones. It is not necessary for the survival of the organism, but is essential for continuity of the species on earth. Means this, the process of reproduction is not necessary for the survival. Means without the process of reproduction you can survive on the earth, but it is essential. This is essential for the continuity of the species on the earth. Means if there is no reproduction process, there will be at a time will come that the person will extinguish or the extinct from the earth. It ensures that the species do not get extinct. Which I am just saying that the species do not get extinct by the process of reproduction as the young ones produced. If they are not produced, then the species will extinct. Means missed out from the earth. Let us learn how different animals reproduce. Here we see the type of reproduction. Reproduction in animal can be of two types, asexual and sexual. First we read asexual reproduction. In this kind of reproduction in which only one parent is involved, means either the mother parent or the father parent. So only one parent is involved in this reproduction. The offspring is formed from one parent and is identical to the parent. Means the new species or the offspring which is produced is just like their parents. It's identical to its parents. Identical means similar. It's similar to their parents and they form by the single parent. Asexual reproduction is commonly seen in the unicellular organism. Means this mode of reproduction, asexual mode of reproduction, is commonly seen in the unicellular organisms such as amoeba, yeast and paramecium.